Have you ever noticed how you feel more awake and peaceful after a rain shower? That's not just your imagination. When rain falls, it releases a special scent called petrichor, which comes from oils in the ground. This scent can trigger happy feelings in your brain. Plus, the sound of raindrops creates a soothing effect, like a gentle lullaby, calming your mind and body. The cool, moist air helps you breathe easier and feel more comfortable. All these effects work together to refresh your senses and boost your mood. Follow for more epic content.